What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. And guys, today I want us to do this simple recipe here. I want us to cook a scrambled egg and just to watch and see how it is done. I'm going to use eggs, milk. If you have cooking cream, well, I'm going to use milk, eggs, some salt and cooking oil. So I'll break my eggs here in this bowl here, my 4 pieces of eggs, and then I'll be adding a little bit of a milk. I'm using yeah, and then a pinch of salt just to taste, and then I'll be beating my eggs. Yeah, I beat it thoroughly, and then I'll be adding in this milk here. I'm not going to use all of it, just using a little, about 50 ml. Then mix again to ensure it all mix up. Yeah, this way. And then on my hot pan, I'm going to add a cooking oil, about 2 tablespoons. Then I'll add my eggs. Yeah, and then immediately you add eggs. I'm going to do it this way. You can see the cooked ones moves at the center of the pan. Just maintain doing this until the end of the process. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe guys, just support my channel, push me to at least 1,000 subscribers, and I'll appreciate you guys for that. I'm going to garnish, although this is so optional, but I like my food colorful, so I'm going to garnish it with the red and the green bell peppers. This is so optional guys, but if you like garnishing, then go ahead. You can also use some fresh coriander for garnishing if you like. Alright, continue mixing and do this on a low heat. Yeah, subscribe guys if you haven't. Become one of us for you to be getting notified anytime I upload a new video. So don't forget to subscribe. Look at it guys. Wonderful. And it is ready guys. I'm going to serve it now. You can serve it with the bread and tea. You can serve it with ugali, the way you like it. Thank you so much guys for watching, and let us meet in the next video. God bless you.